Big businesses are futuristic. They have lots of time, they have big budget to get profitable. They first establish themselves in the market, then they grow and think about being profitable. They they don't uh, need uh, a small lot of audience to cater to. They may have a defined audience, but their audience are big because they can do advertisement, they can spend on advertisement for lots of money, 30%, 40%, 50% of their total budget. But as a small business, we work in present for present. We need profit every month. We need profit on every sale. So we are or we have an upper hand. We can compete with them because we have limited resources. We can be more specific. We don't think about branding or recall value or that type of thing. We just need leads and then convert them to sale, or we just need sale with every click. So we should work on our conversion. And for that, we should go hyper targeting. We should use hyper targeting, means we filter our audience to the point that those all those people look like our buyers. We don't need broadcasters, we don't need brand advocate in first 3 or 6 months or in 1 year. If we understand these things, we should go fast and we should make changes to our advertisement per day or even within 4 hours. I do this. I run an ad campaign, and after it is approved, and when I get 10 leads, if 3 out of 5 ads haven't got a single lead, I will pause them because I know if 3 of them are ahead, they are getting more impressions, more engagement, and more conversion leads. It means they are working and I don't need other 3 ads. I may check them in a separate ad set, but I will pause them in that particular ad set. Similarly, if within 24 hours, if I don't get a single lead, I will change my ad copy or my creative or my target audience. Because my client or my client has no money to waste. Their budget are very tight. Even 400 rupees or 800 rupees without any result is a waste for them. And I have to be answerable for that waste. Let's say I generate 100 leads, and after that I will make changes. I can go broad, I can uh, do more experiments. And that should be your strategy. And for these type of result, you have to know your audience. Let's say you are selling this type of artwork, arts on kurta or shirt, and there are one person or 5 or 10 person who are making this. This is a handmade Mithila painting on my kurta. So it is done by my wife. So these type of businesses don't need 50 customer in one day. Initially, maybe they will grow and they will then maybe they will be able to produce 30 or 50 designs in one day. But for this type of business, they don't need 50 sales per day, 50 orders per day. So I will go a smaller audience size. I will test them. Maybe 80,000 or 1 lakh or 60,000 people. If I know who are going to buy, who are going to order these type of kurtas, I can go the smallest audience size and it will get results. Don't worry, there are theories that 10 million people or 10 lakh people you need your campaign to work. But no, even with 80,000 or 60,000 people, you can run ads. But your product or your service or your ad copy should be very specific. You should know this is Mithila painting, so most of the people who will love this will be from the Darbhanga and Madhubani of Bihar, of the Mithila region. And if my wife is only doing it for gents, I will target only male in one ad set or in one campaign, and then in other campaign I can target only female. And the idea of ad copy, the base of ad copy will change. A male will buy it for himself, but a female will gift it to her spouse or her son or her friend. So the ad copy will change, the ad creative will change, and the angle of the ad will change. So be specific and don't think that you should have an audience of 6 lakh or 10 lakh people. If you want to target 10 lakh people, your budget should be 800 or 1000 rupees per day. Because if your budget is only sufficient for 1000 impressions, to target whole set of audience of 6 lakh people, you need so much time. Be specific and be hyperactive when running such type of ads. Thank you.